All right, all right. Let me just fix this. Okay. uh, okay. Hello. Cannot. Okay. All right. Hello. Testing. Cool. All right. Let me just do this. Okay. Today I'm gonna just be working on the UI screens again. So last week I worked on the UI screens, and so I thought about just continuing from that. I still have the call summary. I still have the notifications list, which I left out on Friday, and I still have the 3 onboarding flows. The onboarding flow is for the payment stuff, the paywall that's needed for people to buy the numbers, the device registration, and then also the agent customization. That's also one of the important parts. The reason why I'm starting off with the call UI as opposed to just getting on with the onboarding, despite the fact that I need the onboarding to welcome in the users, is because that's where the MVP is, and I just feel that that's more important than everything else, because that's really the main selling point of the application. And so my time and energy, my thinking is all put into the calling mechanism. So receiving the calls, the AI handling the calls, the call screening features, although the call screening in this case is actually pretty much done. And everything else, anything else that is around call screening will be just a nice to have feature, because I'm still thinking about the text dictation and other kind of stuff, speech to speech. Yes, that's important, but it's not really that important at this point. The important part is the notifications now. So when you do get a call, you need to get notified about a missed call or the call confirmation, or let's say if the call has been handed off to the AI, you need to know that. And yeah, because that's one of the main selling points. So that's my plan for today and maybe for this week. Hopefully I can just finish it in less than 2 days, because I do want to start. I do want to get going with this building. In cases like this, it's really rare that I go back to designing, but it's also a way to step back a little bit, because it's easier to just continue building, and then you kind of get lost in just on those features without looking into the bigger picture of what the app's about. And so yeah, just get on with it. I'm not gonna do any lead code and stuff. I'll skip that one for today. Yeah, so okay, let's get on with it. So I need the call summary. So when you get a call, when the AI is able to pick up the call, you need to receive a call summary, and the notification list. So at least those 2 things are the most important bits for today, and then I can talk more about the agent client. Actually, that's what I did not add that. Agent client. So receiving any real-time information about how the current call is, so receiving so we need a UI for reading the information. So if the call has been handed off to the AI, we need to know exactly what information is being processed as the call is happening. So that's also one. Yes, so the agent called UI. Yes. or agent client. I think I already worked on this last week, but I wasn't able to finish it. So yeah. Anyway, just want to get on to this. Yeah, today is gonna just be chill. I don't think I'm gonna do any implementation today. This is just one of those. It's one of those days where, yeah, this is really important. Actually, you know what? Okay, so I left out. So last week I left out. I basically ended with this, and this is my plan for the call summary. So let me just, yeah, because typically what I would do is I would draw this out on paper, and then implement the, you know, implement that into the tool. So I might just do that for now. So I might just, it might seem like I'm staring at this, but I am actually lo-fiing this. All right, let me lo-fi. Wish I can show it, dude. So okay, so first of all, what is the call summary? Call summary is essentially the information that you get so maybe I'm conflating this with the payload message, but essentially the call summary is the call's information, and I think it also has the call payload. I think, oh god, it's this. I know it's this one. Let me just see how I render this. Okay, so I use the retail AI payload screen. Okay, so this is the information. I mean, should that be the message? Because that's the caller message, not the summary. So that is like, if you can think about it in an object, that's, yes, this is also important, but this is also optional, because in some cases some users might not even have a call assistant. So this part right here, this is directly from the call assistant, but it's also optional because not many people will have this. So the call summary would include I think a mix of this message and oh, I think I've already got this. It might be this one then. The caller AI message and also the caller information. So the caller information is something that we can get from where the call originates. So this is where it all starts. So the incoming call information. So this is what I need. The initial call state, I don't need that one. So this is the call information. Yeah, so I'm doing it like bottom up approach here because I sort of just rush these features without actually going to the design. The design is simply what tells you what you need, what sort of information that you want to present. So like last week, I had a realization that I need to separate out the call assistant and the call information, but under the same object or notification object. So for a notification object, it needs to have the call information, so that another blob information, and another one for the call summary, which is the call assistant message. So because sometimes it can have they might just miscalled you, but it would never get to the AI. Yeah, so, or in some cases you do get a call but you don't have the AI to respond to it. Yeah, so the AI is sort of, in this case, an optional, but also just a way to say have a good way to have a fallback method. So if there's no AI method, then this is what we resort to. Yeah. So call summary and the notification list. Yeah, so I'm gonna just be quiet for a while while I draw this out. So what am I doing? So I'm basically drawing this out on paper. Yeah, so that's my process. Go from a pen and paper first, and then digitalize it. Maybe it might be good to just show it. Wait, let me just. Is that good? No, you cannot see it. Okay, fine. show this. I use my phone, but I don't want to do that now. Shit. Yeah, so let me just finish this. Maybe date. Yeah, so in this case, because there's not enough design inspiration I can find for around notifications, so I'm trying to use what's closest to that, which is to-do list. So this is, so I kind of like these tags that they just add. So if it is AI assisted, then we can just say that. Because like, when do you get notifications? So you get notifications when you get a missed call. At least like, what is a push notification will look like? A missed call. So typically in your phones, when somebody miscalls you, you get a push notification. So it's same thing here. So we need a way to say that. So missed call. So that's also, this is the first spot. let's see, task management. Task management. I like this one. Ongoing. So you have the title, a small bit of information, and then the date, and then the tag. I like the tag. Because what do I need? So if it's in school, it's like, when should you get a push notification? So you get a push notification when you miss a phone call. That's for standard. Maybe the system, any system updates. That's one. AI related update. AI related. Yeah, so if it's done by the AI, I'm thinking about the tags, because the tag, so we can actually distinguish if it's an urgent, like a high priority, low priority kind of call. So if you're able to, if you have an AI assistant, like you want to be able to look at your phone, it's like, what's the first thing you want to see? If you're the user, it's like you want to be able to know if it requires a callback. Because if it says you need a callback for that number, let's say you get a missed call. So what are at least if it requires a callback, whether the call is urgent, and what else? I think that's at least the two tags that I'm thinking about. Like, what do you want to show for the like before they even open up the entire page? It's like, what is the tags that you would want to show to the user? Maybe to let them know about the severity of the call. Like, if what, like, let's say yeah, okay. So yes, so in this case, you can say that the title would be the name, the body would be the short summary of the purpose of calling, the urgency, like I said. So urgency, any previous interactions that the executive may have had with the caller if known. Any previous interactions that the executive have had with the caller if known. That's a good point. Any previous interaction that the executive may have had with the caller. Is there any previous interaction? No. So urgency callback. What further next steps? A scheduled meeting or expected further action? Yes, I don't think the AI assistant is redundant in this case. I don't think I need it. I don't think I need to specifically say that this is AI assisted, but I said it will be the distinction between a standard musical versus the AI assisted would be noticeable. All right, so in this case, kind of had to think about that because this is a really good point right here. So all I had is a callback in terms of the next steps, but in terms of scheduling meeting or expected further action, I don't have that. So maybe I need to rework on my conversational flow for the AI assisted, but that's gonna be on for later. That's fine. Just finish. All right, so this is the standard. I think I even added the date. Yeah. So who is this from? The number? Yo, holy shit. It's been a while. It's been like what, a week? Yeah. What is that? So missed call from this number and then the location if it's available. Or the country. Dude, you don't have to. You're not required, don't worry. I'm not forcing everyone to watch me. Yeah, so I'm just working on. I'm back to designing, I guess. Yeah, there's no coding, there's no programming. It's no engineering today. It's just purely design. Mr. Beast 3 million times and giving him money. What did you get out of that? I mean, yeah. I don't mean to judge. Anyway. But Mr. Beast sort of started that. Mr. Beast started that trend. He would do, I will say PewDiePie for 10,000 times until he notices me or something. Oh yeah, I get it. Wait, be right back. I need to. Let's get something set up. He's day 60. Yeah, I know there's a guy even. He said that he hasn't slept for like 12 days, something like that. 2.2, Jesus. Jeez. That's insane. For just saying Mr. Beast. Wait, just be right back. School again tomorrow. School has been going okay. I guess it's hard because so many periods though. Hey, congrats. Oh yeah, it's school. School started. It's tiring because so many periods. Yeah, because you're in. Are you in? You're 11 years old, so probably. So do you have the entire day? Do you? Does the school go from 7 to 3 p.m.? Because that's where that's how that's how it works from 1/5. Oh shit. Oh, you have a half day. That's right. I just got to middle. Ah, right. Right, because you're in 5th grade. I don't know. Holy shit. So okay, I guess if you're in high school, like you get to your school starts at 7 and then you end at 3 p.m. I'm going to 56. Holy shit. Hey, I mean, you did a bug bounty and got $75. Shit. Was that for a company or was that for a school? That's why they changed the hours. No, I think that's because elementary was 8:25 to 3. Yeah, but maybe because you're in 5th grade. But I don't know. Maybe that's for private schools. It was for a company. Oh shit. Oh shit. For a company. Like a club? It was for exercise. Yeah, I don't know what that is. Damn, you finish early. Yeah, and even in, I guess this is just for my school. Like we have like Wednesdays in high school. I guess it's about high school. Like there's one day where we get to leave early, and yeah, we do leave at 1 o'clock or 1:30. XSS is in that company. I don't know what XSS is. Extra small. No. Yeah, I don't know what that is. But hey, congratulations for that guy who got who said Mr. Beast. What is the guy's name? And how did you just tune in for like the entire Imagine listening to a guy like that. I don't mean to judge. Oh man, but hey, at least he got what he wanted. A callback required. His channel is Jack and Will. Let's see, what is that? That sounds like a Minecraft channel. Yeah. Sure. What's the name? Give me the name. Is it a mechanical keyboard or a regular keyboard, like a Microsoft Surface something? Check. Well, let me just check that out. Fuck. %75%. What is that? Oh, this is a 75% right here. Right here. So let me just check. Also, the company was Adobe. Oh shit. XS. What is XS then? You can put that in your resume, you know that. You can, it's like if you're trying to get some internships, I guess I guess it doesn't really apply for you because you're young, I guess. But you could definitely put that in your resume. It's like, hey, I was part of the bug bounty. I got paid $75. Is it? I think this is it. The wired mechanical keyboard gaming 75% hot swappable red switch RGB backlit 802 keys NKRO compact keyboard. Yeah, I think that's yeah, it just adds more credibility if you have a big company name like that, especially for Adobe. You have a LinkedIn account. Yeah, even the club that you were talking about, something about rockets, you can even add that in your resume. You say like you're part of building the website for this club. I don't know, what do I think about this keyboard? Man, it's hard to know because I don't look. I'd say if this is your mechanical keyboard, I don't think you're gonna have any problems. Because this is also my first mechanical keyboard, and I think it's somewhat the same. We have the knob here. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, I think it's somewhat the same with this one. With this Foguraden. What did it say? The website redesign. So USB-C, yeah. So mine is also USB-C. I definitely recommend the USB-C if you have an Apple. I do like, if you're gonna get this, I would even recommend you getting for $93. Maybe your budget is $100. How much did I buy this for? Because maybe, hey, this might just be a suggestion. Yeah, because the difference between this version that you're trying to get, what is that? And mine is not wired, but it can be wired, but there's also a Bluetooth method here. Yeah, so that's the digital method, so you can like switch to different styles. So you have two different Bluetooth connection, or you can use you can either go with a wired version, or you can go with one of these. So there's a wired, there's Bluetooth connections, and there's even that thingy, this tiny USB connection. So, and my keyboard is, because if you're gonna get this, I think you're gonna get more bang from your buck from this keyboard. Let me just M75. Yeah. So you know what, let me sign up. It's gonna show my address. It's showing my address. I gotta. Yeah. So if you're gonna get that, I highly recommend this. The Royal Clutch. Am I on USD? I don't think I am. It shows you my address. What the fuck? He said we're, but I mean, how much are you buying? The keyboard, the ones that you're getting is $93, and this one is only $109. So this is what you're getting, I think. Right? See that? $75. I mean $93. I was like, if your budget is $100, I'm saying, hey, it's better if you just get something like this. You have more connections. You can still get the wired connection, but you have the USB-C and all that kind of stuff. The OLED smart split. It's 40. Oh shit. Oh yeah, because it's, yeah, the, oh yeah, how much is that in USD then? $103. Yeah, but that's what I got from my research. Maybe because I'm on a different region. Yeah, but anyway, that's just my recommendation. If I change the address, how do I change the address? He said, we have been talking about a remake of the site for a couple of years. We have some ideas. I had them yesterday with a person who wants to work on it. Maybe you could team up. Yo! You better make sure you get that job. That might be your first job. You're gonna be way ahead. Yeah, it's really just, when it comes to resume, it's really just experience. Yes, projects are important. Yeah, maybe just search up. Maybe just search it up on your computer, because I don't know how to switch the countries. So the name is Royal Clutch. And I'll just paste this in. Yeah, it's on, yeah, because I'm in Australia, you're probably in the US, so probably just need to switch. Oh shit. Yeah, hopefully, yeah, just try that out. The link will not work, you just need to fix it. Actually, maybe get rid of the .au. Yeah, I mean, anyway, different topic. I would, it replaces it, but yeah. Yeah, you can't send the link. I think I'm the only one who can. Maybe when I get more money. Hey, I mean, back to the, I guess, the potential job. Hey, if you get, I think if you could definitely land that job, or maybe internship, and that's gonna put you way ahead than your peers. Especially when it comes to your resume. Yeah. Yeah, your resume is really just your experience. Just a set of lists of experience from who you've worked with and what company. And if you do that, hey, Well, you might, that might be your first job, to be honest. Hey, who knows? I don't even know if you can get a job at your age, to be honest. Yeah, your age might be a problem. Some people lie about their age, hey, but do you need your ID? So you cannot. There's no work around it. But one thing you could do though, if you do want a job, but your age is kind of a problem, maybe you can get around with like Fiverr or any one of those sites for freelancing. I mean, like, if you just get this, hey, I mean, who knows? It opens up so many doors for you. So yeah, I mean, sign a contract to list anything. Did they ask for your ID? I think have I done it on Fiverr? Because I know I've done it on I've done it on Upwork, and they asked for my ID for verification. And yeah, so you can't go there. Well, oh well, I don't know. One sale from a guy. Yo, what were you selling? Do we know? Roblox game. Do you make one of those plugins? Is that what you did? A Discord bot. Oh shit. Yeah, back. I remember when, like, the beginnings of Minecraft. I don't know if you know. I don't know if you've heard of bucket plugins. Yeah, in Minecraft, this used to be the thing. Like, if you wanna make a server and you install bucket plugins, and this is on Java, so but that was, I think, yeah, I don't know, like, it's been a while since I touched Minecraft. Last time I touched Minecraft, at least when it comes to servers and stuff, but yeah, I asked Gemini how to make money. I said bounty, so I did bug bounty and made money. I mean, how do you feel about Gemini? Do you prefer Gemini over Claude? Yeah, it's either a bug bounty or, hey, don't forget about this. If you're, because you're in like 5th or 6th grade, don't forget about this as well, Musical, because I know this is available in the US, and it's usually available for high school students. I tried doing this, but it's only for high school. Yeah. Musical guide. So Musical is like it's like Lead Code, but you're basically competing, and there's different tiers that goes from bronze to platinum, and then there's a chance for you to represent or be part of the IOI, so international something, I don't know, international team. This might be that might interest you and could also be good for your resume, because I know the reason why I know this is because I heard of a guy, and he works for I think he works for Jane Street, and one of his qualifications is that he is a platinum holder for Yusuko, which is crazy. I think I when I first heard of it, it's like, whoa, what is that? And then when the platinum is like the top level of you know, lead coding, I guess. You prefer Gemini since I have Google One and it makes so much better. I don't know. I haven't used it. Maybe I should try using it because I'm having problems with OpenAI and it's not good quality. I think it's getting dumber, to be honest. Yeah. But that's just my take on it. I think it's just getting dumber. I don't think it used to, when it first came out in 2020, I think 2 years ago or 1 year ago, it was definitely way better, but for some reason this one is not the same. Yeah. Cool emotes, yeah. He's a very controversial figure. Yeah, but I do watch some of his videos. He kind of reminds me of Leafy, back when Leafy was starting. You're probably too young for that. Go back forward. Hacker one, this one, this one. Oh yeah, yeah. I mean, dude, you don't have to. I'm not forcing you to watch. God. Hey, I'm gonna try Hacker one this time. Yeah. Go for it. Maybe if you, I think even on lead code you can get a job, or I think it's called technical writer. Entry level technical writing jobs. Yeah, lead code content. If you're interested in this, I don't know. Maybe this might be for you. Oh, fair enough, fair enough. Okay. Technical solutions authors, data structures. Hey, this might be something to add to your list. I don't know. Be a technical writer, because actually I've seen some people with that sort of position, they add lead code in their experience as a technical writer. I think it makes a huge difference, because lead code is well known, and yeah, and every recruiters know what lead code is. John wants to know if he could make it to today's meeting. Yeah, today it's just gonna be. My plan is just to finish the rest of the UI stuff, and that's really it. It's not red enough. It's like if you're looking at this from your phone, it's like what is if you do get a call from somebody? So urgent, callback required, and it's like who is this person from? So company X, and then the purpose. If John wants to know if you could make it to today's project meeting, and then a callback required. One of the requirements is in the process of for what? The hacker one or the technical writer? In the code. Oh, I didn't know that. I didn't check that. Oops. Oh, I guess they do check your LinkedIn. Yeah, I mean, I guess the only reason why I'm showing it to you because I have considered it like those sort of positions. And then maybe hey, if it's fitting for you, then hey. Yeah, but I didn't know that. I didn't know that part actually. Edit. scheduled meeting. Scheduled. Scheduled meeting request. Doing what? The most money I've made at once was last Christmas. The handouts that you get. Is that a thing for your family? Like they give you money? Yeah, sometimes they get so lazy, so they just give you money. Or gift cards. Oh, nice. Yeah, especially when Apple gift cards used to be a thing back then. That's used to be like the go-to for you know, you're gifting somebody because they're too lazy to just, you know, find anything. But I guess anything will be appreciated, I suppose. Okay, so meeting requests. So what type of call is it? Is it an urgent or is it a general inquiry? And can we get a call back or can we get a meeting request? 200 Visa was the biggest one for my dad. Oh shit. Are you a saver or do you invest? No, you're too, dude, you're too young, man. Are you like saving something or? I was gonna ask if you're investing. But I guess you're too young, dude. You're too young. God. 1 PM. Okay. Yeah, I don't want to get into that topic because crypto can become like a casino, and so just be careful. I'm saying it can be like a gambling. See how it's other streamers are like gambling stuff? Yeah, it's just take precaution. Schedule a meeting before the project. I did that before. I used to have like a CPU. This is an old CPU, and I would just keep it running. Yeah, and it was mining in the background. Yeah. What was I using? Something B minor or something like that? B minor. Shit. I forgot, man. A honey miner, I said. Yeah. Holy shit. It's been a while since I touched this. Yeah, this is what I used to do. Yeah, I don't think it's... I don't know. I don't even know if it's legit or not. I just tried it. I just did it. See if it works. But I barely got anything, to be honest. It wasn't worth it because like you spend more on electricity than what you actually get. Missed call from Project Mark. Really? I invested 3 million in Tesla and lost all of it. Really? Come. On options though? Are you talking about options? Without call summary without. A call. So you miss a call from Frederick. So missed call from a number, and what information can I show? So I think I should be able to show. So the from number, the country. The state, the city, the zip code. Elon Musk gave $1 billion. Hey. He gave you $1 billion to build more Roblox games. To redesign his website. And then I actually threw it away. No, he probably gave it to XQZ, and then XQZ spent it all on gambling. You know what? I'll keep it simple. Yeah, it's BS. That's not real. Where are you getting all these? Nah, that's fake. That's fake news. Asking if you could redo X. Come on. Come on. Toyo color. Yeah, so what is the request body? I mean, why would Elon Musk? First of all, why the hell would Elon Musk know who PrimeGen is? It's like the guy is probably a bit too busy, you know, to even check what's going on YouTube. I don't know if because I think didn't PrimeGen worked at Netflix, so I think if it would be more believable if he worked at Tesla. Yeah. Yeah, then what about Theo? Isn't Theo working for Elon? Or isn't Theo getting that deal with Vercel? Did you hear about the news? I actually didn't watch I didn't watch the video. What the I think he might be getting a fat check. A huge check from Vercel. Yeah. Yeah, actually, I didn't watch the video for that. I didn't watch the video, so I wouldn't know so much. But I've seen some tweets about it. Yeah, I don't even know how he makes his money, to be honest. I don't know if he makes money from his startup. So it doesn't hurt your brain. You don't like the dollar signs? So without but he was doing PHP. Sorry, I'm just trying to think. I'm trying to think. Oh, I'm gonna design this. Sorry. It's like, what do you not like about PHP though? Like, what specifically about PHP? I think it's overrated, to be honest. I think it's only starting to begin. It's only starting to get talked about because influencers are talking about it. But I think most people have already moved on from PHP, except for Pewter Levels or Levels IO. I just don't like Twitch. Fair enough. What is that? What is that? What is it? Is that water? Is that moist critical drinking water? So how do you? So are you gonna get that job? I guess. Are you getting that job? Or do you plan to get that job? On I think you said it's about redesigning. Because the thing is, this is. Do I need this page? I haven't talked about robotics history in a while, so I'll have to find out. Well, is this your first week back in school? Yeah, maybe that's why. Wednesday last week. Sucks to be you, man. Sucks to be you. My last day is in 2 weeks. What do you mean last day? Last day? Like end of semester? My last day is in 2 weeks. Are you changing schools? End of school year. Oh shit. Oh, that is weird. So you started this September. You started last week. So how many weeks left for schools? So basically you're doing 4? Like, I guess. Yeah, cause I'm thinking that you're in high school. So end of school year. Damn. 9 months. Oh my god. That's a long break. How many? What about ours? Because I know for us, our school year starts in February, and then we have semester breaks in between. So they have like 4 semester breaks. No, first semester, second semester has it. So there's like a break in between. So you go away to get into your second semester. So and then the school ends in December, and then we come back again in February. That's weird. You have like 9 months. What the fuck? Bro is always on holiday mode. Nah, just kidding. I have one. Oh, I was gonna say, like, you just started. Like, you're gonna end soon. Like, what? Not including breaks, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, gotcha. I was gonna say, like, really? 4 weeks? You just came back? School ends. Does this need to be in a page though? Because the information is so little. So without AI, this is what you can. So that notification is coming from. It will. Hey, at least I got it working now. So, man, thank the Lord. I'm just thinking, how do I present this? I mean, look how basic this thing is. Yeah, I think I'll go with this design then. Because I think the information here is so little that it might just be better to just have a model that pops up. Kind of like this. So rather than having an entire screen, this could just be. So how do I show that? So if I, yeah, so this would be a modal. So open overlay. There you go. So as you can see, like, this could be just a modal that I can use. $2 a.m. Is it not too early for you? $6 p.m. so you can wake up at 2 a.m. What do you even do at 2 a.m.? No, I mean, like, well, 2 a.m. isn't 2 a.m. too early? Oh, fair enough. I mean, like, why do you need to wake up so early though? Or because I think 6 p.m. is really early to sleep, unless you have anything planned out. But I don't know your lifestyle, so. Yeah, you know what? I'll just leave it like this. Oh shit. So if I press this, yeah, I think it's better. So I need to wake up early so I can get some time to wake up. So what time do you actually wake up? You wake up at like 3 a.m. or 4? 6 p.m. is really early, unless if you have like, I would understand it if you're in like a swimming team, because I know that you have to go early if you're like if your sports, like if you're involved in like water sports, if you're into like canoeing or something like that, paddle boarding, they do it really early in the morning, so I kind of maybe cool. And then if it's a full notification, it will look something like this. Boom. Like that. Okay, time to design this one. So basically what this is, so with the AI version, it's literally just the combination of the summary and the payload. That's it. Using React Native, yeah. I mean, what are you building? I made an app for my phone using React Native. It's much easier if you use something like Tailwind. Yeah, it's really easy. But I found it very limited as well, because you're kind of relying on a framework, and as opposed to the native language. I was just messing around. Yeah, no, I get it. I've never used Tailwind before. Yeah, I started with React Native as well. But yeah, I didn't enjoy it. But hey, it's your choice anyway. Now I was speaking with somebody that I think he does like Android development, and he said it's always better to go with the native language for mobile development, if that's what you're planning to do. Yeah. All right, so what do we need here? So what kind of information can I get? So the color name, so all of this. So what is the color's name? What is the reason for calling? The urgency of the call. The next steps. What is the callback number if that's requested? So best time for calling. My grandpa has this Big Mac. Maybe I can build an app for a Big Mac. Yo, I also well, one of my projects had a Big Mac on it, so let me just show that for you. Yeah, I created one. I created this. Yeah, I created this. So it's food delivery, and yeah, I did it in React Native as well. Pretty cool. And I also did the design on Figma. And you can even go to the prototype page. So this is the app, right? And then you sign up. And let's say you want to buy this. And let's say add that to the cart. Look at that. Damn. Oh. That's so cool. I'm not pressing anything. A Big Mac computer. Oh shit. God. Not a little Big Mac computer. A Big Mac computer. Wait, what? What is that? Dude, this is. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I had the food in my head. I thought you meant actually Big Mac. Oh, you meant the Apple computer. God. God damn. Oh shit. Oh no. I thought you actually meant the food. No, I had Big Mac yesterday, so you said Big Mac. It's like, oh, I guess Big Mac. Yeah. Yeah. You should do it. But don't you think you'd learn? I guess you're just doing it for curiosity. I guess it's not. Because I feel like, don't you think that you're spreading yourself too thin? Does that ever like make, maybe I'm doing too much, but then again it's like, does it matter? Because you're also learning. I guess it doesn't really matter. I don't think it does really matter, to be honest. I mean, you do you, but hey. Big Mac. Oh my days. What is the required callback message? I'll write the transcript. Yeah, fair enough. It's just that I guess it doesn't really matter, you know? Like you're just exploring and trying to figure things out. Because I was gonna say, like, maybe don't you think that maybe you're spreading yourself too thin? Because like you're trying to learn this, then I'm gonna learn this now, then I'm gonna learn Swift, and then I'm gonna use Android now. It's like, yeah, I guess you're still in the exploring stage anyway, so it doesn't really matter. Yeah. So what is the next step? So when you get a call, so you can get the transcription. So yeah, you can view the full transcript. You can even listen to the recording, the audio recording. Yeah, I gotcha. I understand. So you can like use the simulator. But I guess even on Windows, because you said you're on Linux. So, but even that, I think you can use Expo. Yeah, Expo. Yeah, this thing here. So you don't actually need the Mac. The date when they called. Expo, yeah. And I think you can even like you can simulate, you can, isn't there like an app that you can use so that you can view what you're building directly on your phone? I never got it working. I don't know why. When I was using it, I think they call it tunneling, something like that, but I've never got it working. It's called Export Go, yeah. So reason for calling, the urgency of the call, the next step. So you can either get a callback, and then if it's a callback number, so if it's a callback, then they might say, hey, call me back to this number. What is the best time for calling? Hey, thanks for hanging out, and hopefully you had a good time. So yeah, I mean, it's getting late, so yeah. And I think I'm due back to school tomorrow, so have a good week, and see you again sometime. So you can get the audio recording. So you can get the audio recording, and then you can get the date when it's called. What is that emote? What is that emote right there? So this is what I was talking about. So like you can get the audio work out, and you can even get the transcript. So when the call has ended, when the call has started. And then let's say it got disconnected for no reason, so we also need to let the user know about that. So oof. Disconnected. You know what? I might. So this connection is optional. I might be able to add tags. So what is the next steps? So basically I just need the design for this, so I kind of like this one now. So So what is the color's name? So color name will be at the top, right? So how do I best represent this though? It's like if you have a call recording, because if I have this, then couldn't I just save that? Couldn't I just add it to my object? And then I guess if there's no information, then we can show the disconnected reason. So caller name at the top, purpose of calling, no, shit, the caller's information as the callers, and then the call summary. So this is the call summary, and then so if there's nothing, we can just say disconnected for a reason. And we can just say hang it up or it detected a machine. So the calls information comes from Twilio, and then the call summary comes from retail. So the caller information. So this is not the summary. So this is the caller information, right? So that's a shorthand version. And so what I want to do is I want to combine this with this. So essentially what we get is this in a bigger page, or maybe not, because it kind of just makes sense. Like this might just stay as a model, especially based on how little the information. Okay, so oh my god. A national divorce. Oh, come on. All right, so how do I do this? Because you're gonna have a calls information, so this, you still get this information, right? So you don't miss that out. So my thinking is that if, let's say everything goes well, you know what I mean? It's like everything goes well, call has been transferred, so this information basically is part of this call's summary. Let's say the call has been transferred to the AI, then the caller starts talking to the AI assistant, and they get all the information. They create a schedule. It's a perfect example. So what sort of information should we get? So we should still be able to get the caller's information. So we still want to know who this is coming from, but the thing is this necessary? Like, do I need to know which country they came from? So I'm thinking maybe I can like put this under a tag, so it would look something like this. So we still know the, I guess I'm thinking about this based on like what is the most important information here, right? So we just want to know who called us, like if I'm putting myself as the user here, and then this would just be a like a what is it called, a drop down kind of thing. And so, and then in this case, if we have a perfect call, then we can just say, hey, like, this is the rest of the information, right? So this is what the AI has picked up. Yeah, so who is this person? What is their name? Their name is this person. What is the reason for calling? You know, project. How important is this? Yeah, so maybe, you know what? I'm lagging like crazy. Dude, I'm lagging. Do I need to restart this? Okay. Dude, I'm dropping frames like crazy. Alright. Okay, so alright, where was I? So if I did get something, maybe this is not that important. You can just hide it here, right? So what is this person's name? Colors number. Actually, you know what? We can say colors number or name comes in here. So who's their what is their name, or what is their number, and what do we know about them? Color information. Call colors, call info. What is the reason for calling? I don't know. So I kind of want something like this. Mm. So disconnect the reason. I think this should be optional. So let's say they did disconnect it, so we can just so rather than showing this entire thing, we can just say this person disconnected because we detected a machine. So when the call has started, when the call has ended, some further information. Shit, I don't want to be stuck on this. So what is the reason for calling her? If you will be able to make it to the project, yeah. And then what is the urgency, right? So I'll just copy this. I mean, is that good? God damn. Alright, so good. I think I gotta copy this. I don't like it. I don't like it. There's something wrong with it. It just doesn't feel. I feel like there's just so many information. Because the transcript is something I could imagine, just that you can. That is also a drop down. Because it kind of just makes sense, right? So the transcript, just view it. There's something I just don't like it. It feels like there's so many information. So when the call started. Oh no. I just don't like the design, dude. What is the reason for calling? And then the transcript here. So I like, because we can just say what is the title, purpose of calling, and then we can say, okay, playback. So we can like have a playback version. What is the custom analysis? Oh my god. That's cool. Oh my god, are you kidding me? What the fuck?
Oh, how do you know?
I'm here to assist you on behalf of John. How can I help you today?
Yeah, bye-bye.
I'm ending the call now. Have a great day.
Yeah, I'm looking at the kind of information I might get. So Peter interacted with the agent. Hey there, my name is Kate. I'm John's assistant. The caller is checking on Philip and is asked by the agent for more details.
I'm here to assist. Hey there, my name is Kate. I'm John's assistant. May I ask who's calling and the nature of your call?
Okay.
I'm here to assist you.
Okay.
May I know your name and the reason for your call today? I'm here to assist you. Of course. I'm here to help. What can I assist you with today?
I'm looking at building.
Got it. Are you looking to check availability for something specific? Let me know more details so I can assist you better.
Well, it's not.
I understand the urgency. Let's assess the situation. Is this an urgent matter that requires immediate attention, or is it a non-urgent issue?
Well, it's not up
John's availability for you. Just a moment, please.
Alright, I got you.
Let me check John's availability for this week. I apologize, but I encountered an issue while trying to access John's schedule. Is there a message you'd like me to pass on to him instead?
What the hell?
I encountered an issue.
Yeah,
Okay. Ah man, I am lagging. Maybe I can like restart. What is the call summary, right?